1965 Chevelle Malibu, Detroit Speed's test car. Not flashy, not overbuilt, just a clean, white, factory paint sedan sitting on Budnik wheels with a whole lot of engineering underneath. Kyle Tucker bought this car as a one-owner in 2001 and drove it cross-country on Power Tour from Detroit to San Bernardino in bone stock configuration. That tells you everything about what this car is. It's meant to be driven, hard, often, and without a second thought. In 2008, the DSE crew dropped in a 383 small block crate motor with a Bowler Performance 200 R4 automatic. Tubular upper and lower control arms up front with coilovers and a spline sway bar. The factory triangulated four-link stays out back with DSE's patented Swivel-Links and a tubular rear sway bar with coilovers. The DSE Speed Kit 3, front and rear, bolt-on, no cutting, no fabrication. Baer 6-piston brakes with 14-inch rotors up front, and Baer calipers with 13-inch rotors in the rear. A 600 ratio steering gear with a brake booster and master cylinder kit. DSE Select-A-Speed wipers for those cross-country runs in the rain. Vintage air for climate control. 245 front tires and 275 rears on 18-inch Budnik wheels. No mini tubs, factory sheet metal. The car rides on BF Goodrich Comp 2s and handles like nothing from 1965 should. The factory paint has patina. The interior is original green upholstery with a new steering column and gauges. That's it. No body mods, no show car polish. Just bolt-on suspension, a crate motor, bigger brakes, and a set of wheels. This car has been autocrossed, hot-lapped, driven to shows across the country, and parked in the grass next to cars that cost 10 times as much. And it holds its own every single time. Detroit Speed's 1965 Chevelle. Keep it simple. Subscribe for more builds from the shop.